We've been putting this away for too long. It's time to make slime. Here is everything I need to make a simple fluffy slime. Hopefully, we need glue, some coloring, shaving foam and activator. Step number 1. Let's pour the glue in a mixing bowl. I'm using school glue that I found in my local store and I hope this one works because there's no Elmer's glue around where I live. So glue, you better cooperate on this slime project, otherwise I'm gonna be really upset. Okay, thanks. Right, we got our glue here, so it's time for step number 2. If you know me, then you know that I love color. Very bright, in your face, the more the better, love color. So which color should I choose for my very first slime? Well, it has to be my favorite color ever, which is blue. I'm going to squeeze some in the glue. Time to mix them together. You know what? I think I'm starting to understand why the world has gone crazy over slime in the past years. I mean, already this is satisfying. I think I get it now. I think I really do. Alright, this looks good, so it's time for step number 3. Since we're making fluffy slime, we have to add a lot of shaving foam into this mixture. So here we go. Is this enough? Yes? No? Somebody help me. I'll add some more. Okay, that's probably too much. Oh no. You know what? Let's stay positive. It's all gonna be fine. We're gonna make the perfect slime, so let's mix it up. That is so much fun. I mean, where have I been? This is so fluffy. Why am I always so late on trends? I really don't get it. It's always like something is trendy, I'm looking at it and I'm like, no, it's boring, I'm not gonna make it. And then 5 years later, I'm here, let's make slime! Story of my life. This is so beautiful. Why do I wanna eat this? I have a problem. Look at that, it's so fluffy, it's like a cloud. This is so pretty. And also the color, I mean, isn't it the perfect color? Yeah, that is the perfect blue color for me. This is looking very good, so let's proceed to step number 4. I feel like this is it. This is the step where you can really tell the difference between the slime experts and people that have no clue about slime, aka me. But we're gonna try it anyway, so here I have the activator, which I made by mixing 1 teaspoon of borax in 1 cup of warm water. Apparently we have to add this activator to the mixture very slowly, otherwise we can mess everything up, and we don't want that. So following the quote, better safe than sorry, I'm gonna add just 1 teaspoon of this mixture into my mixture. Why am I so scared? Okay. It's time to mix it all up and see what happens. I am just so nervous. Okay, nothing's happening. All right, why is nothing happening? Actually, something is happening, guys. Ooh, I think things are coming together. I mean, probably it's because we just added 1 teaspoon. So when we're gonna add more, this is probably gonna become more slimy, but I mean, it is a little bit slimy already. I'm impressed. This borax, this guy is good. This guy is working. Apparently, I have to mix a lot. This is my workout for the day. How about yours? Oh, okay. My hand hurts. You know, I think we're gonna have to add more mixture, more borax to the mixture. I have to do a Q&A one day. I think you guys don't know much about me. So one of the things is that English is not my mother language, so that's why my English is not perfect. And that's why I have the accent, which some people hate and some people love, and that's how it is in life, right? I think I'm gonna have to add more of the activator to this because this is not slime yet. I don't think this is slime, but I'm scared. What if this is too much now? What if we've just messed it all up? Oh my god, look at that. My arm hurts so badly. My arm hurts so badly. This is such a workout, but it's gonna be a problem because I'm gonna be like this here and I'm gonna be like nothing here. But okay, you know what? I think this is not sticking to the bowl anymore, so I think it's time. I think we gotta take this into our hands now. So let's just do it. Let's just do it. Oh no. Is borax safe to touch? I guess it's too late now. We're doing it. Yes. Why is this so sticky? I feel like when people have slime in their hands, this is not how this looks. This is literally eating my hands. Oh my God. I feel like I'm being attacked by a slime. Why is this? Okay. This is clearly not going how it should, but I think they say that if the slime is too sticky, you gotta put more activator in the slime to make it less sticky. Okay, how? Let's just take a little bit of activator, ruin this pretty thingy with my slimy hands, but yeah, I'm thinking 1 teaspoon is enough. Guys, can you see how I'm shaking? I'm literally shaking. The slime is eating everything it touches. Okay, I have more activator now. Now I'm gonna touch directly activator. Why is borax not allowed in Europe? I'm beginning to be a little worried. It's fine. I'm fine. Guys, it's not sticking as much anymore. I think we did it. Okay, hold on. In just a second. Look, my hand is almost clean. Oh no, almost. Let's try to get this off my hand. Oh my God, why didn't I take the ring down? Because I'm stupid. Guys, it's not sticking as much anymore, but I don't know. I don't know if it's still too sticky, you know? How do you know that? Anyone? Help a slime confused person. I'm a slime confused person. Please guys, help me out. How do you know if this is too sticky or is this the best slime? Because I feel like it's super stretchy though. It's super stretchy, but I feel like this might be too sticky. Do I add more activator? I think I have some activator in here, so. You know, I have one concern with this slime. Why does it not feel like fluffy slime? I feel like it just looks like normal slime. It's not that, you know, it's not this cloudy, fluffy consistency that I was expecting. So what did I do wrong here? Should I put more shaving foam? Or was I mixing too much? Do you guys know? Like, please help the slime confused person out and leave the comments below. What did I do wrong? Or is this right? I don't know. This is actually so fun. I get it now. Guys, I get it. 5 years later, I get it. You know what? Let's try to make the satisfying ASMR with slime. Thank you guys so much for watching this weird video. Leave a comment below and tell me what kind of content do you want to see here on this channel. Do you want to see more slimy videos like this? Do you want to see Q&As, maybe vlogs? Whatever you want, I'm gonna try and make it happen. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you and I'll see you soon. Mwah. Bye bye.